Alright guys, so in this video I want to show you the kind of videos you can make, how you can make these videos, and some of the softwares you need to start creating these videos for your YouTube channel. My name is Noel, and I make videos around stuffs like this. So if this is your first time of coming to my YouTube channel, then it will help me that you like this video and that you equally subscribe to this YouTube channel. Alright, now let's say you've created your YouTube channel but you do not know the kind of videos you can create, or even the softwares or the apps, or how some of these videos are created. Alright, this is exactly what I want to do for you in this video. I want to show you the different kind of videos you can create and how you can create them, so you start publishing them on your YouTube channel. Alright, let's begin. The first step is that your niche, or the kind of channel you've decided to create, is going to determine the kind of videos you'll be making. Let's say, for instance, you want to make you want to start a YouTube channel, or you started a tutorial YouTube channel. Alright, you have to make videos that will show people how what you are teaching actually works. For instance, on this channel I make videos like that. So what I practically have to do is just record my screen, where I show people step-by-step processes, how they achieve the particular results we are trying to achieve using the very video we are making at the time. Alright, for instance, to make a video like that, you just need your laptop or your computer and a screen recorder app, and all you have to do is talk over it as you point out what you want to point out. So you need some softwares to achieve this. For instance, you need a screen recorder to start with, and there are a lot of free screen recorders. Some are paid, some are free, so you can just comb through and find the one that suits what you want to use it for. But the basic summary is that you need to record your screen, and you need an audio output, just like I'm making this very video. So you do not need a lot of gadgets. All right, these are practically the two things you need: just a screen recorder and then an audio output. This can be a mic, an audio software, or whatever you want to work with. All right, so that's the first step. Equally, there are people who try to make their videos even more exciting or enticing, even though they are doing tutorial videos. All right, sometimes there are people who use blackboards, whiteboards actually. Some people use different kind of animations for their videos, but that's actually what they want to do. And if you do not have that kind of experience, you do not have the skill, the knowledge to do stuff like that, you can just stick to the basics for now until you grow or you scale it. So videos like that, videos like this one you are watching, this is how it's made. People just need a software to record their screen. All right, you can use Camtasia. Camtasia is a screen recording app with a video editor. There is Loom, there is Screen.io, there is what's it called now, there is Ice Cream, there are a whole lot of them. You can just go to Google and type best screen recorders for PCs and all of that. Also, if you want to make these videos on mobile, you can find them mobile recording, screen recording apps. There is what's it called, I've forgotten the name, right? But you have a lot of free recording apps on the Play Store. If you're on Android, if you're on iOS, you should be able to get some free recording, some recording apps, and all you have to do is the same. All right, just go to where you want to make this teaching, and boom, you record. Some phones actually come with a pre-installed screen recorder, so you don't actually need even a third-party app. So this is how you make videos like this. Now, if you make videos where you need to talk to people directly, vlogging, lifestyle, stuff like that, you need to talk to people, what you have to do is just to create a video where you just talk to people. So you can achieve that using using your smartphone or your camera, all you have to do is find a spot where you just record. You have the camera facing you, or depending on your video editing skills, all right, you just have it facing you and you are good to go. I'll be showing you samples of some other kind of videos you can make, all right. But now let's look at this one. I think this is a good example of what I'm trying to say. So this is an ad. I'm going to skip this advert, all right. So this is actually a tutorial class, a tutorial video, but this guy is making it using okay, that's him. I'm just going to skip this video so you see. So this is yet another way you can make videos like this. So this guy is using a whiteboard to try to convey his message. So you have to find what works for you and what your audience will relate to, and it's just that straightforward. All right, sometimes you need to make video of yourself. All right, again, this depends on the niche that you have decided to choose. Now let me show you some videos where you don't have to use anything yourself, your voiceover or whatever. So let's say we come here, we look for motivational videos. All right, what people in this niche usually do is that they just use a lot of them use pictures, some use clips. As you can see, this, you should know this guy. All right, so what they do is that they just get clips that aligns with what they want to, the message they are trying to pass. So they need to edit these clips. So you need to cut out some parts that you need to use. There are free websites that will give you some of these clips for free. So what you have to do is you download them, and then you just need a very simple video editing app. There's InShot for mobile. There's Adobe for PCs. There's equally Camtasia for PCs. Any editing, any video editing software you prefer, you just have to merge these videos and you are in. All right, so this is it. This person or the owner of this channel doesn't have to show his or her face. You don't even know who owns this channel. And as you can see, this video is doing a whole lot. It's doing well, and there are a lot of them like that on YouTube. And it's not just for motivation only. There are a lot of videos you can do this way, and you don't need to show your face. All right, so let's see if we can find other forms. This is a tutorial video. Again, you don't need to show your face here, but you have to video what you are doing. So this person is teaching you how to cook noodles and egg this way, and this is the amazing result. So he or she is showing you the result before she goes into making them. So if you are a food vendor, if you have a food channel, this is how they make these videos. All right, there are some persons who show their faces while they do it, but if you don't want to show your face, as you can see, this person is not showing his or her face. So you just have to cover what you are doing with a little editing, where you add the ingredients you are using to prepare what you are preparing. And as you can see, you have a lot of this kind of videos here. A lot of these food channels, they don't show their faces, but they equally do well. As you can see, this person has 1,400,000 followers, and the video, it has been doing very, very well. All right, so as you can see them, there are a lot of them. So this is actually how some of these videos are made. You don't need a lot of things. You don't need to become a professional video guy because you've started a YouTube channel. You just have to do what works for you and do it the unique way. So that'll be the end of this video. I hope this video helps you make your first YouTube channel video, and I hope you like this video. If you do, you should give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.